store workshop. So I have a big news because I am going to have a collaboration with a huge makeup store here in Malta, and it's called Lucy Makeup Store, and I'm so excited and shaking about it. I've had a meeting with them and we're all set sort of to collaborate on an event where I will be holding the chunky bag workshop for the parents. The event is for kids, and whilst the parents are waiting for the kids, then they can crochet this chunky bag. So I'm collaborating with Lucy Makeup Store. I can't believe it. It's beyond words. I did not expect it. So yes, I'm very excited, and I'm hoping to get snippets of the event, of course, and the stuff leading up to it. So Lucy Makeup Store just made a post, and it's official, it's out there, and they've just announced that I will be hosting the chunky bag workshop during their event. Oh my god, my stomach is turning all around, all over. I'm too excited. It's huge. It's very huge. So I'm here at Lucy World, and the shop is amazing. I'm so overwhelmed with all the flowers, and it's quite my vibe. And I'm here with Rowana, and she's the marketing coordinator.
So basically I take care of events, social media, and anything that has to do with marketing.
And today we're going to be filming some reels for the event that's coming up in 1st of August.
Yes.
So exciting.
Hello, illum għandi miegħi lil Altea from HookedonYarn. Ħaturina naqra x'ħajġri waqt il-klass tal-parents tal-crochet class. Tgħidilna naqra qal.
Mela, ħatkun qed tikkreaw dan il-basket intom bidejkom from start to finish, u ħajkolkom ukoll guidelines biex timxu magħhom, però ħankun qed indur magħkom jiena ħalli kulħadd joħroġ bil-basket bideh. kif ukoll ħajkonna ħafna kuluri differenti u textures differenti tas-sufs.
Verin nitħajja niġi klas minn tijak. Ovvijament ma nistax attendi dakinhar x'ankunaw qed nħossib l-affarijiet, imma min irid dawk il-parents kollha li waqt li t-tfal tagħkom qed jieħdu pjaċir ġewwa Lucy Plaza on the day waqt l-event, ħudu din l-okkażjoni biex tirlasaw ftit u tagħmlu dal-basket sabiħ tant. Nawkom fl-ewwel ta' wissu.
Narawkom.
Ma narawkom, bye!
The day is finally here and I am overly excited but looking forward to it and pumped up to just do it and enjoy the process. Not just get it done but enjoy it and appreciate what I am building up here. So it's the day of the Lucy's Makeup Store workshop collaboration that I have with them, that I'm going to hold a workshop for the parents while their little ones get glammed up. And we're just preparing to leave the house and make our way.
Chasing dreams, I'm chasing light. Pushing boundaries, taking flight. I keep my head high, never look back. No stopping now, I'm on the rise. I'm versatile, yeah, I'll flip the script. Changing the game, baby, I never slip. Head up, I'll move it right to the top. Every door out.
my way.